So let's change our index page. So here we have already added the holiday request, and we have added the create route. So here we have the employee, we have the date or start date, and we need another one for the end date, and we need another one for status. So the status for so here we don't have status, so as you can see when we create, because status is by default, so it has pending. Okay, so every holiday request that we create, so it will be pending until it's approved or rejected. Okay, so here we will display the status of the holiday request, but we need another one for notes. So we have employee, start and date, notes, status, and action. So let's now uncomment this part. So we have holidays, and here we have holiday. So the first thing we need is the employee. So let's use the relationship to display the first and last name. Next, we have start date. So let's change it to start date. And what else we need? So we need the end date. So let's change it from check-in to end date. So what else we have? We have notes. The notes, so we can use holiday and here notes. And for the notes, we don't need to display all notes. We need to display just limited notes. So we can use str colon limit method. And we give is the holiday notes, and we display only 30 characters. Okay, so next what we have, so we have status. So let's add, or let's copy from here and paste here. So we need status, and what else we need? So let's change it here from attendance to holiday, and I think so we'll add another link for showing holiday. So let's for now refresh the page and see what we have here. So as you can see, we have the start date, the end dates, notes, status is pending, so it's by default pending. And what else we have? We have here the links. So let's see why it's not showing the name. So we have already added the relationship or not. So let's move to the holiday model. So we have here the so I am using the department. Sorry for this mistake. So I just noticed that I am using the department here for the relationship. So sorry for this mistake. So the model is employee, not department. So let's refresh again. And as you can see, we have the holiday request. Let's create a new holiday request. So let's choose, or let's just field format, choose another user. Let's keep the same dates. So as you can see, we have here the employee, its starting dates, the ending notes, and here we have pending. If you want, we can do something. So here for the status, so we can check for it. So using if. So if the holiday status is pending, so let's use two equals and check if it is pending. So we can display span with page, and BG warning or BG warning and text dark, and we can display inside pending. Okay, so if it is pending, if not, so let's so we need another else if, and finally we need else. So let's add here. So we need else if, and else if it is approved. So here we have or we can do something. Let's add here for the else we can display the pending, but here let's change it to rejected. So if it is rejected, so we can use danger instead of warning. Okay, and let's remove the text. So we don't need the text dark, so let's remove it. So if it is rejected, so we will use class BG danger, and here we display rejected. If it is approved, so we will display here success. Let's remove text dark and change it to approved here. And finally we have the default one. So if it is not approved or rejected, so we will display the default one, which is the pending. So let's refresh the page. So now so that's why I wanted to add text dark for this, because text white is not appearing. So as you can see, it's not clear. So that's why I wanted to make it dark so we can see it. So here, as you can see, it's pending. So we need to do the same thing, or we need also to check for the notes, because the notes are not required. So the admin may use notes or not. So we need to check also for the notes. So for this field, we will check if it is not empty, which is the holiday notes. So if it is not empty, we will display the notes. Else, if it is empty, which means that the admin did not add notes, so here we will display span with the text muted, and we can add here no notes and save. Okay, so let's refresh the page. So now let's try to add a new holiday request, but let's provide an empty notes field. So we don't have any notes, so submit. So as you can see, no notes. Okay, and all the requests are pending. So now we need to move to the edit so we can approve or reject holiday or the holiday request. So let's first check for the delete. So if we hit delete button, so holiday deleted successfully. Okay, so the delete is working. So for now we need to add edit and also show.